Local landscaping services. As the premier local landscape design firm, we offer a complete design and build firm that will work closely with you throughout the process of transforming ideas into reality. Our commitment is to provide unmatched service and the utmost in quality to our local area customers. We have instituted countless measures to ensure that each client receives the consistent level of professional landscaping services that everyone should expect. We pride ourselves in doing our work as courteous and trustworthy professionals. Our ultimate responsibility is to the local area with a residential and commercial landscaping company that is dependable, reliable, and cost-efficient. We look forward to the opportunities to meet our loyal clients' needs as we grow to better serve our customers. Landscaping, lawn and landscape maintenance, irrigation, hardscape, professional lighting, drainage, seasonal color, sod installation, fertilizer and herbicide, large trees. We have established ourselves as the industry standard for quality work at a competitive price. We take pride in our ability to service the large commercial landscaping needs in our local area and beyond. Our staff consists of dedicated employees who are part of a team that can take on the challenges that arise from multifaceted projects. From landscaping installations, professional landscape lighting, large-scale irrigation work, to solving drainage issues. We look forward to consulting with you on your local landscaping project.